Welcome to today's cooking show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Alright, before we get into this, don't forget to like, share, and if you enjoyed the video and the content, make sure to click that subscribe button. Now that I've gotten my mandatory YouTube stuff out of the way, let's get into this. Today, we have a slow cooker sweet and sour kielbasa. And it starts off by melting 6 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan, and then we're going to add 1 large onion that I've sliced up. The slices are about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, give or take. Alright, and then we're going to go until the onion starts to soften and gets a little translucent. Okay, as you can see, the onions are starting to soften up and get a little translucent. Now it's time to add all the other stuff. To start off, we're going to add 14 ounces of ketchup. You can find the standard 14-ounce ketchup bottle pretty much any store. Then we're going to want to add approximately 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. And then 1.5 teaspoons of spicy mustard. Don't worry, spicy mustard ain't that spicy. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. If I butchered that, I apologize. And then 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then finally, 1 cup of brown sugar. Grab a spoon and mix this around till everything has come together. And then you want to simmer this over a medium to medium-low heat for 30 minutes. Stirring frequently to semi-frequently. Like, it's not something you got to keep an eye on all the time, but, you know, keep an eye on it. It's not like your fucking risotto, so. Anyway, see everyone in a half an hour. Alright, now we're going to add some Keilbasa sausage that I sliced up into fairly large chunks. Our sauce is nearly done. I've set the slow cooker to low. So I did this with about 5 minutes or so to go, maybe less. The sauce still needed a few more minutes. So yeah. It was about 5 minutes before from when I put the sausage in the slow cooker to when I poured the sauce over it. So about 5 minutes before the sauce is going to come in. Again, get your slow cooker ready, low heat, and place the sausage in there. And then you just want to grab a spoon, stir everything around. Make sure everything is covered with the sauce. And then you're going to cook this on low heat for 4 to 6 hours, stirring about maybe once every hour. This is a perfect set it, forget it, meal. So 4 to 6 hours. I actually went the full 6. See you at the finished product. Alright, after 6 hours, you're looking at something like this. It was absolutely delicious. Super easy, perfect for somebody that's never cooked anything before. So that's slow cooker sweet and sour kielbasa. Done.